Okay, so today we are looking at a KitchenAid food chopper, and this one's 3.5 cups. I know, I keep getting these food choppers and food processors. I don't know what's going on, but we're gonna check it out. This one is tiny. The last one I think I did was a 5 cup, and it was cordless. This one is corded, so you're kind of tethered to your plug, and it's only got about a 3 foot, maybe 2.5 foot long cable, which is fine. And I see no problem with that if you've got a dedicated space that you can use this for. Got the kiddos playing with a globe back there. We went camping and all kinds of stuff, so we have to put all of our junk away soon. Pretty cool, pretty simple. You've got a chop option and a puree option. It comes with a single blade, typical locking mechanism in the handle and for the lid. And operation is very simple. Pick your chopper, your puree, make sure everything's locked and aligned, and you just push the button. And here we go, we're gonna do a sound test. That's chop. We'll put it on puree. So basically chop is like low speed, puree is high speed. And that's all there is to it. One of the cool things about this is that this has a recess here that you wrap this cable in, and you don't have a stray cable hanging out. Pretty cool. I like it. It's 3.5 cups, so you know, depending on your vegetables or whatever it is you're chopping, will vary. But nice. Pretty cool. I like this one.
I'm looking for Spain.
You're looking for Spain?
Yeah, because I was in North Carolina, and from the other side of the ocean would be Spain, so I'm now looking, trying to find Spain.
Very cool. All right, so I may put a link in the description if I can find one for you.
Oh, here's Spain.
And hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. All right. On to the next.